What is the one word for eager to investigate and learn or learn more? The correct answer is curious. What is the one word for the particular occupation for which you are trained? The correct answer is career. What is the one word for extraordinarily large in size or extent or degree? The correct answer is enormous. What is the one word for the act of concentrating on something? The correct answer is attention. What is the one word for an imaginary line around the Earth forming a great circle? The correct answer is equator. What is the one word for a structure taller than its diameter? The correct answer is tower. What is the one word for be at an angle? The correct answer is slope. What is the one word for an enclosure made of wire or metal bars in which birds or animals can be kept? The correct answer is cage. What is the one word for make reference to? The correct answer is mention. What is the one word for a deep and relatively narrow body of water? The correct answer is channel. What is the one word for a steep high face of rock? The correct answer is cliff. What is the one word for a light usually carried in the hand? The correct answer is torch. What is the one word for showing careful forethought? The correct answer is cautious. What is the one word for a large cave or a large chamber in a cave? The correct answer is cavern. What is the one word for an ability that has been acquired by training? The correct answer is skill. What is the one word for a V shape? The correct answer is peak. What is the one word for a flowerless, seedless plant with fronds that uncurl upward? The correct answer is fern. What is the one word for United States liquid unit equal to 4 quarts or 3.785 liters? The correct answer is gallon. What is the one word for a three-dimensional work of art? The correct answer is sculpture. What is the one word for reproduce someone's behavior or looks? The correct answer is imitate.